welcome. I am running a few errands with my man. So nothing much. I just thought I should vlog it. Okay. Sensational.
High volume.
Turn left on Winery Road. In 4.6 kilometers.
Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease.
Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. Period. I'm back. Hi guys. I know I've been not here for a long while, and I don't really talk in my videos, but yeah, my family and I decided to come to a wine farm, so we're here, and I'm taking you guys with me. Bye.
She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. Listen, you've been missing since 2016. Squid tell me one fix. You know that's my sister. When she speak, I listen. She swears you're my missing. I say we think different. I see why your heart's icy. Come, baby, come, try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me, love? Ready? Too many twists and turns, girl.
Say hi. Okay guys, so we're doing the full tasting. Guys, look at my press-ons. I couldn't put this one on, so I just left it. But we're doing the full tasting, and this is what it consists of. I think we're doing this now. This is it. Tastes nice. It's like so smooth. I don't know. For my vlog. Yeah. Okay guys, so we are trying the red wines now. Personally I'm not a fan of red wines, Cassandra, but anyways, I'll try them. But okay, let's try them. Come, let's try them. Cheers. He's not. News reports. I'm a bit tipsy, guess I'm like, yo. A lot was dead. All my legs is lifting. Anyways. I'm fine. Guys, guess I'm so tipsy. I'm literally so tipsy.
By Downtree.
I'm here.
One drink.
Oh, okay.
One drink.
But guys, I think we left with 1 or 2 wines left, and then we are done. I'm literally so tipsy.
Okay, that's the
Okay.
Uzoflanda silindaba nekesasifana.
Still around here.
Oh,
So ngoku nizokwenza iwallet ke ngoku. Iwallet nayo yi-blend ye-wines eziyi-3. It has a cabernet, then it also has the Malbec and
one.
sorry,
no, not fourth one.
the last one.
The last
This is the
one.
last one. The mixture blend ye-wines eziyi-3 eziredi. So
For my vlog, wenza njani mama? Yes, opa. This girl is rushing to go out for her dad. Her dad is not even here yet.
It's the fact that she's vlogging while the aunt is vlogging as well.
Guys, we are going home now. We're going home now, guys. Yo, I'm so tipsy. Anyways, we're going home, guys. I know I don't really talk in my vlogs, and it's because I don't know what to say. Like, I really don't know what to say, so that's why I don't really talk in my vlogs. But I think as time goes by, I will start talking in my vlogs. Oh, it's so cold, Gasan. But yeah, as time goes by, I'll talk. And I think I'm gonna do like get ready with me, and maybe like I would do my makeup or do my hair, but like today was my first time doing my own hair. Like as you can see, it's not perfect. And then my makeup, I will do it. I want to learn how to do my own makeup, so maybe I might do a video on, you know, that while answering questions. Maybe, I'm not sure. So I just hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Definitely subscribe. But yeah, and as for the intro, I'll probably do it like when I have consistent subscribers, viewers, yeah, when I have like a support base, not a fan base. I don't want to call it a fan base. So when I have like a support base, and then I will make an intro, because now like I do not know. So bye guys, I'll see you in the next.
Since we kicked it, you've been caught up with the bitches. I don't get it, you're a star lover. You shouldn't have to do like that. I'll never make you feel like that. I love me enough for the both of us. And trust me, I know you've been through more than most of us.
Okay, hold on.
Been a minute since we kicked it, you've been caught up with the bitches I don't get it, you're a star love. You shouldn't have to deal with that, I'll never make you feel like that. 'Cause I love me enough for the both.
Spectacular. Give me 14 of them right now.
Really? Do you know what's in here?
I don't care. Don't.
I love me enough for the both of us. That's why you trust me. I know you've been through more than most of us. So what are you so afraid of? Darling, you give but you cannot take love.
Yo, son, I'm walking I'm going home now. I am so, let me put my phone away, son. Hey y'all, I just got back home. Guess son. Oh, the food. Mama, wait. Mama did indaba, guys, and they have it revised. This is all good YouTubers indaba zakho. But I just got home. Food 6 out of 10. I feel like it's overrated. Guess as for the drinks, 8 out of 10. The drinks were very nice, but the food was But yeah, guys, this is my last video. I think from here I'm gonna end the vlog. So guys, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and make sure you turn on your post notifications for every time I drop a vlog. Bye. Mwah.